Trafly electric bike assembly video. Open the box. Then take out the bicycle and accessories. Cut the tie, take out all the accessories, and prepare for assembly. First of all, let's install the handlebars first. Find the multifunctional tool and follow the video. Open the screws. After putting the handlebars, put the lid and screws back and tighten the screws. Pay attention to whether the inner clearance of the handle is consistent. Tighten the screws on both sides. Cover the small lid to avoid screws from rusting. Next, install the front wheel. Take out the front wheel and put the tire on the front bolt. The front wheel is placed in this position. Find the quick disassembly bearings in the toolkit and follow the video. Insert the combination of the front insert and the tire. The large part of the spring is facing outward and the small part is facing inward. Tighten the lid. Push it in hard. Install the front fender. First of all, use a multifunctional tool to unscrew the screws and keep the installation fender for backup. The other side will also unscrew the screws for later use. The screws in this place also need to be unscrewed for backup. Alum the fender at the hole and install it. Fix it first so that the fender will not fall off so that it can be assembled. Tools in multifunctional tools are tightened with multifunctional tools. Take out the previously unscrewed screw and install the fender to fix it on both sides. Tighten the hole position and operate the same on the other side. The next step is to install the pedal. The letters of the pedal correspond to the letters on the bicycle. Fix it with your hand first. The operation on the other side is consistent. Fix it with your hand first, then find the wrench and tighten it. Finally, install the battery. The key is used to lock the battery to prevent the battery from falling off slowly. Rotate clockwise to lock the battery, and rotate counterclockwise to unlock the battery. Pick up the battery and align it with the battery into the guide rail. Press down and check if it is parallel. Turn left to unlock, turn right to lock. Press the battery switch to turn it on. Long press the boot button to start up the electric bicycle. Boot page. Electric bicycle gearing motor. Instrument display. Long press plus turn on the light. Instrument display. Left and right turn signals. Instrument display. Turn signal display. Put reflectors on both sides of the front plug. Finally, you can enjoy your riding time. Thank you for watching.